What if you could walk into your kitchen tonight, sit down at the table, and have a three-course meal crafted just for you, without lifting a single pan? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Is hiring a private chef really worth it? Or is it just a flashy luxury that drains your wallet? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether a private chef is a smart investment in your life or just an expensive fantasy. Number 1. What does a private chef actually do? A lot of people confuse private chefs with personal chefs or even caterers. A private chef is usually someone who works for you exclusively, either full-time or part-time, preparing meals in your home on a regular basis. That means planning menus, shopping for groceries, cooking, serving, and often even cleaning up afterward. For example, imagine having someone prepare all your weekday dinners, adjust your meals to your health goals, and even surprise you with a gourmet dessert on Friday night. That's the service level we're talking about. Number 2. The real cost of a private chef. Here's where curiosity spikes. You might assume this service is reserved for billionaires with yachts, but it can actually be more affordable than most people think. In the USA, hiring a private chef can range from $30 per hour for entry-level chefs to $200 per hour for highly trained culinary experts. Some chefs charge per meal anywhere from $50 to $150 per person, depending on complexity. To make it real, picture this. A family of 4 could hire a chef to cook 3 dinners a week, costing around $600 to $1,000 a month. Compare that to what many families spend on eating out or ordering takeout, and suddenly, the price gap isn't as wild as it first sounds. Number 3. The lifestyle upgrade. Think about how much time you spend cooking, grocery shopping, and cleaning the kitchen. For many families, that can add up to 10 hours a week or more. With a private chef, you instantly buy back that time. Imagine getting those hours back to spend with your kids, work on your side hustle, or just relax. Time is money, and when you look at it this way, a chef isn't just serving food, they're serving freedom. For example, a busy lawyer working 60 hours a week may find that outsourcing meals is a smarter choice than constantly ordering pizza or fast food. Number 4. Health benefits you can't ignore. Fast food is quick, but it rarely aligns with long-term health goals. A private chef tailors meals to your dietary needs. Want gluten-free, keto, vegan, or heart-healthy meals? They've got you covered. Some chefs even coordinate with your doctor or nutritionist. Let's say you're managing diabetes. A private chef can craft meals that stabilize your blood sugar while still tasting incredible. That kind of daily health support is tough to put a price tag on. Number 5. The hidden money trade-off. Here's something people rarely think about. If you're hiring a chef, you're not just buying food. You're cutting back on hidden costs like wasted groceries, late-night DoorDash orders, and overpriced restaurant tabs. Studies show the average American household throws away about $1,600 worth of food every year. A private chef is trained to minimize waste, which means that money might not be leaving your fridge unused. For example, if you constantly buy fresh produce that goes bad before you cook it, a chef ensures every ingredient is used efficiently. Number 6. When does it make sense financially? Let's break it down simply. If you're spending $200 a week on takeout and restaurant meals, plus another $100 on groceries you never fully use, that's $300 weekly, or over $1,200 monthly. A private chef charging $250 per week for 3 freshly prepared meals could actually save you money while upgrading your lifestyle. This is where the math surprises people, because luxury doesn't always equal loss. Number 7. The luxury factor and bragging rights. Let's be honest. Having a private chef is not just about food. It's also a statement. Imagine inviting friends over and casually saying, "My chef made this pasta?" That sounds impressive. In fact, for some wealthy individuals, the wow factor is worth just as much as the food itself. This is similar to driving a luxury car. It's functional, but it's also about status. For instance, tech entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley often hire chefs, not just to eat well, but to create an environment that feels elite. Number 8. Special occasions without the stress. Think about holidays, birthdays, or anniversaries. Instead of stressing about cooking for 20 guests, Your chef handles everything. You get to be the host who enjoys the party instead of sweating in the kitchen. One real-life example. A family in New York City hired a private chef for Thanksgiving dinner. Instead of spending 12 hours roasting a turkey and making pies, they spent the day together playing board games, and dinner appeared at 6 p.m., hot and ready. Number 9. Is it right for every budget? Here's where we bring it back to reality. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, hiring a private chef probably isn't the best move. Your money would be better spent paying down debt or investing. But if you're someone with disposable income who already eats out often, a private chef may be a surprisingly practical choice. Think of it as swapping one luxury for another, but one that may actually add health and time benefits. Number 10. Alternatives if you're curious but cautious. Not ready to go full private chef? No problem. There are hybrid solutions. Many chefs offer meal prep services where they come once a week, cook in bulk, and leave you with ready-to-heat meals that can cost half as much as daily chef services. Another option is hiring a chef for special events only, so you enjoy the luxury without a long-term commitment. For example, spending $300 for a chef-prepared anniversary dinner might be more meaningful than splurging on a restaurant bill of the same size. Number 11. The emotional payoff? Food is not just fuel. It's connection. It's memories. When a chef is cooking your favorite meals or surprising you with new dishes, it changes how your home feels. Families often report feeling less stressed and more connected because mealtime is now effortless. Instead of everyone rushing around, you sit down together and enjoy. A dad in California said his chef helped bring family dinners back after years of chaos from busy schedules. That's powerful. Number 12. What could go wrong? Of course, it's not always perfect. You might not click with the chef's style. They could be too expensive long-term. Or maybe you find you miss cooking. It's important to set clear expectations before hiring: menu preferences, budget, and scheduling. Doing a trial week before committing can save you from expensive mistakes. For example, one family hired a chef who made overly fancy meals every night when all they wanted was healthy comfort food. A simple conversation solved it, but it shows the importance of alignment. Number 13. The bottom line. Hiring a private chef is not just about food. It's about buying time, health, and experiences. For some, it's absolutely worth it. For others, it's a luxury to admire from a distance. The answer depends on your budget, your lifestyle, and how much you value convenience. But here's the twist. Sometimes the smartest financial choice isn't about cutting costs, but about spending strategically where it improves your life the most. Number 14. Building a personalized food journey. One thing people overlook is that a private chef gets to know your tastes better than any restaurant ever could. Over time, they learn your favorite spices, textures, and even moods. Imagine having meals crafted specifically for you: spicy tacos when you crave heat, light salads when you want something refreshing, and hearty stews when you need comfort. It's like having a playlist made just for your taste buds. Only it's food instead of music. Number 15. Travel and flexibility perks. Some private chefs even travel with families, especially if you spend time between homes or take long vacations. Instead of struggling with strange kitchens or living off hotel food, your chef ensures you eat well no matter where you are. Picture flying to your beach house and having fresh seafood waiting, cooked to your liking, the same evening. That level of consistency is something money truly can buy. Number 16. Teaching opportunities for kids. Private chefs often love teaching, and kids can benefit from that. Some families use their chef not only to cook, but to introduce children to healthy eating and even basic cooking skills. For instance, a chef might invite your child to help stir the sauce or explain why certain vegetables are good for them. It turns meals into learning moments, creating healthier habits for life. Number 17. Exploring global cuisines at home. Hiring a chef gives you the chance to explore the world without leaving your dining table. Want authentic Thai curry on Monday, French pastries on Wednesday, and Mexican street food on Friday? A skilled chef can bring international flavors straight to your kitchen. For many families, this makes dining at home just as exciting, if not more, than going to restaurants. Number 18. reducing stress in households with different diets. If your family has multiple dietary needs, say one person is vegan, another is gluten-free, and someone else is a meat lover, a chef can balance all of those in a single meal service. Instead of cooking 3 versions of dinner, they streamline it. For example, they might make a pasta dish with gluten-free noodles for one person, vegan toppings for another, and a meat option for the rest. Everyone's happy without the stress. Number 19. Privacy and exclusivity. Dining at restaurants means being around strangers, waiting for a table, and sometimes being rushed. With a private chef, your meals are truly private. Whether it's a romantic dinner or a family night, you're in your own space. Some wealthy families even prefer this for security reasons, eating in their homes rather than being out in public. That sense of exclusivity is something no restaurant can match. Number 20. Boosting productivity for professionals. High-performing professionals, like CEOs or entrepreneurs, often hire chefs to save brain power. Decision fatigue is real, and having someone handle meals removes dozens of small choices every week. Instead of asking what's for dinner, you sit down and eat. That mental clarity can be worth more than the money spent. Think of it as outsourcing one of life's biggest daily decisions. Number 21. Perfecting food presentation. Private chefs don't just cook, they plate meals beautifully. Eating becomes an experience, not just a routine. Imagine your weeknight chicken breast arriving with colorful roasted vegetables, a drizzle of sauce, and garnishes that make it look like a restaurant dish. Studies show we eat more mindfully when food looks appealing, which can even help with portion control. Number 22. Catering to allergies and sensitivities. For people with food allergies, dining out can be stressful. A private chef removes that anxiety by tailoring every ingredient to your safety. For example, someone with a severe peanut allergy can finally relax knowing every dish is 100% safe. That peace of mind alone can make the service worth it. Number 23. Enhancing family bonding. When meals are stress-free and enjoyable, families naturally spend more time together. Parents are not exhausted from cooking, kids aren't fighting over takeout choices, and everyone gathers around the table. Over time, this creates traditions and memories. Dinner stops being a chore and becomes something everyone looks forward to. So, now you know the truth. A private chef can be more affordable than you think, save you money in unexpected ways, and give you back one of the most valuable things in life, time. But let's open the floor. If you suddenly had a private chef for a week, what's the very first meal you'd ask them to cook for you?